I'm Valya. Welcome to my channel. For today, I'm showing you this makeup look I'm wearing now, which is a very nice fall-autumn makeup look for 2021. This is my recommendation for you, which has earthy and orange undertone colors, very deep, warm colors for that season, and it is a look that you can wear it all of you persons. It suits to every skin type of you. So let's jump into the video to show you how I created that look. I have done my brows off camera as usual with my new long stay eyebrow shaper by 17 Real Brown 06. This is the shade which is suitable for my brows. I have prepared my lid with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 concealer. Also you can use a lid primer, but I prefer the concealer. And then I set up my lid with my pressed powder by Sabrina Rusnik. And now I'm ready to move on to wear my shadows. For today I'm gonna use my Revolution Reloaded LED Alert palette, which is a very nice palette with warm undertone colors from brown till orange, light orange, fuchsia, light purple, burnt orange. Because I have to tell you that today I'm gonna do for you my fall autumn 2021 recommendation for you with warm undertone colors. So for the first, I'm taking my eyebrow 103, and from that palette I will take this burnt deep orange to do my outer crease. I'm taking my heart mirror, as always. I'm taking this deep burnt orange or burgundy color to do my outer crease and applying it on all over the outer corner. I'm taking my eyebrow 104 and I will choose this matte orange with this lighter orange to do my crease. I mix the two shadows together and I'm applying all over my crease to blend and the burnt orange, very nice fall autumn color. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm taking my Fit Me Maybelline and this flat brush by Wet n Wild to cut my crease before I apply shimmery shadows, light shimmery gold and yellow shadows. I'm applying the middle of the lid, and now I'm gonna take this flat brush and this medium gold shimmery color to apply it in the middle of my lid to connect the shadows together. A very nice warm color in the middle of my lid. And of course I'm continuing with my Avon flat brush and taking this shimmery light orange color to apply it on the inner corner. I'm continuing with the same way to my other eye. Just a few coffee while I'm working because I need it so much. Now I'm taking my Shimmer Illuminator Powder by 7 Cool highlighter. I'm gonna take this eyebrow 103 and taking the light orange to apply it underneath my brow bone. This highlighter is very nice, very warm orange color. I always prefer to use orange, medium orange colors when we are going to the fall, autumn. They are very warm colors, very nice. And of course, continue to apply my Adam Precision eyeliner, black liner this time. I could use a brown eyeliner, but I prefer for this shimmery look, the black will look more nicer. What can I do with my hair? And now I'm ready to move on to wear my fall glasses. For today I'll be wearing my Dudu Strong glasses. And now, after I have weared my false lighting, I'm ready to move on to prepare the rest of my face. For today I'll be using my Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30, which is a very hydrating primer, on my opinion of course, and it is hydrating and I need it this time because I need more hydration to my face and down on my neck. I always apply my primer and everything I use on my face, down and on my neck. Very nice primer this is. I really love that protecting primer. And of course, I'm ready to wear my 030 Golden Tan Foundation and my True Skin 030 Neutral Sand. One more summery in a tan color, a little brown, and a white color because I always mix. And in the winter, two foundations together to have best results. And of course, some of that. And always taking, as always, my Kabuki brush by Eyebrow 07. I always apply my foundation on all over my face, down on my neck, of course, and on my ears, on my forehead, of course on my forehead, and on my ears to give the result that it is suitable for my face, to have the same color that I have and on my face. And continuing to apply my foundation with my beauty blender to give the best result. I always do that motion. I always start with my Kabuki brush and then complete the look, the foundation look, with my beauty blender. What else? Now I'm going to apply underneath my eyes my True Skin in the shade High Coverage Concealer in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit. I'm gonna apply underneath my area near to my nose, the bridge of my nose and near to my mouth, and applying that product with a smaller beauty blender. Quickly, before it's gonna get dry, because this concealer is getting dry very fast. Now I'm setting up my under eye area with my Oriflame Beauty powder. I'm setting up matte control pressed powder. I'm setting up my under eye area. And then taking my Kylie Jenner pressed powder and my Eyebrow 11 to set my whole face, of course. Moving on to my Ulta Professional palette and my Eyebrow 11 and taking this shimmery brown bronzer, which is a very warm color. This palette I'm using it especially when the weather is cold, now fall and in the winter. Apply it on my cheekbones, on my forehead as always, on my jawline, and a few in my ears to warm up my face, a few on my nose. I'm applying a few of my eyebrow translucent powder. I'm applying a few of that underneath my eyes and under my bronzer to clean these areas. Then I'm continuing with my Eyebrow 11 and this on the edge deep orange, deep peach color for blush. These are warm colors I especially use when it is fall or winter. And of course, I'm gonna continue with the same palette and my under eye area to apply the same shadows. Then taking my black liner to line my waterline. For today I will be using my Maybelline The Colossal mascara. I always apply mascara after I have wear my false lashes. And I wear a thin layer. And on my upper lashes and on my bottom lashes. Don't need much product. Of course I'm going to wipe out the excess of the powder to apply my 7 Cool Shimmer Illuminating Powder, this shimmer, on my cheekbone, and applying a little deeper orange highlighter over my bronzer to have more brightness. It is a tip that I had to tell you many times. I wanted to tell you. After my bronzer, I apply a few highlighter in a deeper color over my bronzer. And on my cupid bow. And I'm ready to move on to do my lips. I'm wearing my Ursa's lip liner. And of course, this is my Huda Mary 05 lip stain matte lipstick, which is a very nice color. And now I'm ready to use my I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray Peaches and Cream, my fixing spray, to complete my whole look. So my friends, this is my complete finished look. I hope that you like it. If you like that video, give it some thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. And stay tuned to see the new videos I'm gonna upload. Love you. Bye my friends.